Again, good afternoon, everyone. Please turn on your camera. Okay, right. Upon checking on your previous activity, I have seen some of the students only doing the activities. How about others? Okay, I only have 5 students here. How many are you in the class? How many are you in the class, grade 7?
I don't know.
Okay. Again, I will not ask you to, to perform your activities. It's up to you. All right? But I always give chances to my students. I think this is the last time that I will give you a chance doing your activity. I'll be opening your activity again since I only have 5 here. Okay? Please inform your other classmates. I'll be changing it so that you can access it for an hour only. So after 1, the activity will be closed entirely. So I'm doing this for the sake that I am concerned with your grades. Again, it's up to you, grade 7. You know already what to do, right? Okay. So I'll be opening it by 1 and close at 2. So hopefully you can do your activity. Again, I only have a few who submitted the activity 1, which is cell parts and functions. Our lessons is quite long, but you know, I always consider you with in doing doing the lessons, right? I see to it that it is as easy as possible and direct to the point. Any questions with the activities? We still have cell parts and functions. Questions so far?
None.
I'll be ending this soon. Sure, the modular is probably in the... Okay, wait, I will check. You can just start. Okay. Okay. I also prepared some PowerPoint presentation under discussion and module handout. So you can download it, right? And of course, again, as an introduction, please watch the video and then perform your activity. Chances are already given. Okay, grade 7, chances are already given. I am now opening the activity 1 again for you to answer an hour, right? You still have 1 hour left. After 1, by 2 p.m., it will be closed again, right? I'll be ending this Zoom meeting in order for you to perform your activities, right? Again, I'll be ending this Zoom meeting for you to perform your activities. Lavine, please do your activities, okay? Lavine,
Yeah.
okay. I'm expecting a lot from you, Lavine.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that will be all for today, class. I want you to perform your activities today. I'll be checking your activity after 2, right?
Yes.
Okay. That will be all. I'll be ending this Zoom meeting for you to start your activities again. Thank you and goodbye,
If
class.
another
Have a nice day.
function, you can organize and keep us alive.
Have a nice day, grade 7. See you soon.
Thank you.